From the shadows of the city, a machine appears. Low, aggressive, unmistakable. This is the Mclaren 75OS, a supercar engineered to blur the line between art and speed. Every reflection across its metallic orange body tells a story of precision, power, and obsession. The front profile looks razor-sharp. Massive air intakes channel cold air directly into the heart of the machine. The sculpted hood and carbon fiber splitter are not just for style. Every curve is designed to control airflow at extreme speeds. The signature LED headlights slice through the darkness like futuristic blades, giving the 75OS a fierce identity day or night. From the side reveals its true character. The aerodynamic body flows like liquid metal. Deep side channels guide air toward the rear, increasing stability while reducing drag. The black multi-spoke wheels, wrapped in high-performance tires, grip the road with surgical precision. Behind them sit massive brake calipers built to stop this monster from terrifying speeds. And then the doors rise. McLaren's iconic dihedral doors transform the car into something almost unreal. It doesn't just arrive, it makes an entrance. Even standing still feels alive, like a predator waiting for the perfect moment to attack. Inside, the cockpit is focused entirely around the driver. Minimalistic, clean, purposeful. Soft Alcantara, premium leather, and exposed carbon fiber create a perfect mix of luxury and motorsport engineering. The digital instrument cluster changes depending on driving mode, while the vertical touchscreen keeps everything within reach. Every stitch, every surface, every control feels handcrafted for speed. But the real magic begins when the engine wakes up. A twin-turbocharged V8 sits behind the driver, producing breathtaking power. The moment you press the throttle, the car explodes forward with brutal acceleration. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour happens in seconds. The exhaust growls, crackles, and roars like thunder bouncing through the city streets. At high speed, the McLaren becomes something extraordinary. The steering feels sharp and precise. The lightweight chassis responds instantly to every movement. Advanced suspension technology keeps the car planted even through aggressive corners. This isn't just straight-line speed. This is total driver connection. The rear design is pure aggression. Slim LED taillights glow through the darkness, while the active rear wing adjusts automatically for maximum aerodynamic control. And when the exhaust spits flames into the night, the McLaren feels less like a car and more like a machine built from pure adrenaline. The McLaren 75OS is not simply transportation. It's engineering without compromise, a perfect balance of beauty, technology, and raw performance. In a world full of fast cars, this one leaves a permanent mark. The city fades behind it, but the sound remains unforgettable. And that is the incredible McLaren 75OS, a machine built for those who live for speed, power, and perfection. If you enjoyed this cinematic ride, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more legendary supercars and automotive films. See you in the next drive.